Hello, this is from Vijayakumar, Department of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. Today I am taking the Environmental Science second unit, Biodiversity. The topic is Conservation of Biodiversity, In-situ and Ex-situ Conservation of Biodiversity. So the conservation means the management of biosphere so that with yield the great sustainable benefit to present generation while training in potential to meet need of fulfill generations. So the future generation what they will be need that to meet from in our environmental side, that is in a conservations. So the next the types of conservation we discuss in two. One is an institute conservation, then involve the production of fauna flora within the natural habitat along with all other species, then the protected area. So this picture to rare species to the farming animals we have protected, that is an institute. The institute based we form in the subcategories. The one is in a biosphere reserves. So the biosphere reserves, it required some the following points. The one is in a covered area, then product species, then containment, and the world wise and India wise we have discussed from this all the points from based on the biosphere reserves. So the cover large area is it's required to the 5,000 square kilometer. Then product species of a long time it contain in one or two national parks. It's look like in one or two national parks. Then the world wise is biosphere is formed in the 243. In our India is formed in 7. In 7, the 45,000 flora and 65,000 fauna it's a forming. The next category is in a national park. Before that, in addition point of the biosphere we discussed, the one is roles and restrictions. The roles of biosphere reserves is a long time period is needed. Then protected integrated species, then site for recreations. This is all the points to be very important role to be act of that biosphere reserves. The next one, the reactions, the restrictions. There is no tourism places because it's in a rare animals and species is formed in that the area. So the no tourism is better to restrict it to the form of developer of the biosphere. The next one is no explosive activities and human interference is not to be allowed that. The next one, national parks. The protected area to conserve flora and fauna together in national habit cover 500 square kilometers. India in national park is 83. Then roles and restriction, the tourism without affecting environmental and protect and progressive the world wise in a wild animals. The restrictions, the grazing of domestic animals and provide right and forest. Then wild life sanitaries. So the reserve for the conservation of animals only cover 100 square kilometers. The India is formed in wildlife sanctuaries is 497 and Tamil Nadu only for the Tamil Nadu state is 10. Example Mudumalai, Vedantangal, like that. This picture and the map is also to be given from the same area. Then the role and restriction of wildlife sanctuaries. First one is in a permitting timber harvesting and forest protect private rights and forestry. Then restriction is killing, hunting and shooting and capturing of wildlife. This all is an institute. The next one is an execute conservation. Execute means is an research institutions. The one is an NBPGA, National Bureau of Plant Genetic and Resources from New Delhi. The second one is NBAGER. The first one is PGR. This one is AGR. That means an animal genetic resources. The next one is an NFPTCR. The National Facility for Plant Tissues Culture Responsibility. So this three is formed in that execute. So this is a reference I prepared from this PPT to form of institute and execute. Thank you.